guys. Um, it's George Aaron here. It's another Monitor Mondays. Basically, Monitor Mondays is technical breakdown for Across FX members on the Telegram and the YouTube channel. All right, so quickly, want to um, I want us to look at fundamentals. I use my FX book. So I'm recording. Unfortunately, it's I'm recording this on 11:44 on Tuesday. It's supposed to be yesterday, but a lot of things happened. I couldn't get the time, the luxury to do that. So let's get to it. So we have a lot of fundamental already out. I want us to look at the fundamental outlook for the week. They are relevant and irrelevant fundamentals you need to really pay attention to. So basically, as a technical trader, you do not just ignore the fundamental, which is the driving force of the market. You do not just ignore, but focus other one to your technical readings, and that's where the magic comes in. So this week we see Monday a lot of fundamentals out. Tuesday is also following. We have average earnings coming from unemployment change coming from UK, and we have a lot of European fundamentals from ranging from Spain, Germany, and the rest. I want us to go through Wednesday, the upcoming. So most of the green low impact, the green symbols on the far right signifies low impact fundamentals or economic fundamentals. So inflation rate coming off tomorrow. It is very, very important you pay attention to in the London session, and you need to also pay attention to the unemployment change on the Europe. So the same time, basically the same time. So there are not much fundamentals in the London session apart from the unemployment change in Europe, the European Union, and the inflation rate coming from London or UK to be precise. Then we have inflation rate, core inflation rate, CPI. Yes, we have CPI coming up tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So it's very important you pay attention, and that happens in the New York session. So basically, that's it. These are the most important fundamentals I want us to look out to. So quickly, let's go to the technical. Let's go to the chart and see what the market has for us. Okay, so Monday, this week began. Price started changing direction from Thursday last week, which I saw, but I didn't want to take part because I wanted much more confirmation. And the daily time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So I was predicting a clear move of the market. Okay, a clear move of the market somewhere. I was predicting a bullishness of the market last week, and I said it is still not clear as to where prices really want to go. So let's pay attention. Now we closed above 127, 1.2757 region, which is which is respecting um a very psychological support level. Okay, then we've seen markets trying to be bullish this week. So I will still stay on the sideline of bullishness of the market. However, go to the daily time frame and see whether our confirmation is valid or not. I'll be expecting price not to quickly go over the moon, but rather drop down into this zone 126.14, which is real deep test to see market engineering to turn around to the upside. That is what I will be expecting. Okay, so we've seen Monday being strong bullish, Tuesday following suit, but I then expect prices to keep going to the upside. I expect prices to make a turnaround to come and clear the liquidities above, below this current low. Okay, then respect the level of 26 126.21 region before we move to the upside. That is my prediction. So on the weekly and the daily time frame, I still want to be on the bullish side. If you come to the 4 hour time frame, you probably will see there are not clear signs to sell. So let's still sit on our hands. You can see market has currently reached equal highs, which will probably signal a possible move to the downside. So let's just watch and see how prices played out. Yes. Go to gold. Okay, so now gold. Let's go to the weekly time frame on gold. It is very choppy as to what gold wants to do in the weekly time frame. Mind you, my predictions still remain the same on the bullish side of the market. Now, gold, I see gold going long. But how gold is trading long, it's not really enticing. So you need to be very smart or well experienced before you can really take a pip or really find a better entry um to make some profit or to make some pips on the upside of the market. So let's go to the daily time frame. You can see that, okay, let me talk something about the weekly time frame. You can see that last week market dipped that down to take last week's low. But guess what? The buyers came in to push price to the upside. So even as much as it went down, it closes just close to the opening price of the last week candle. What is it saying? That prices are not willing to really go short. So we are seeing price to continue its bullishness. Let's go to the daily time frame to see what can we really say. So you can see that on the daily time frame, old previous lows has been held. Old previous lows have been held. Okay, old previous lows have been held, and that means that this bullish block held, and prices dropping down into this bullish block and not able to break it means that we are on the upside. But the moment market opened on Sunday, yesterday we saw a strong bull, a strong buying opportunities. We didn't see anything like a choppy move. So we should be expecting a continuation of this price. However, 4 hour time frame will give us a clear indication. Now prices has gotten to the old high. I expect price to, as it were, kind of drop back into a little bit of. I need a pullback. I need a pullback into this previous region, which is 2442.71 or 22 20 2428.51, which is the opening price of this weekend, before we continue to the bullish side. So let's look at how gold plays out. There are not better opportunities to say enter here and go long here or go short here. You see how prices quickly move from yesterday, a strong buy. So let's really pay attention to this gold. For now, I would like to sit on my hands and wait for market to give me much more less risky entries to enter. Other than that, I'll just leave it for another time. Okay, all right. So psychology in trading is everything. You just need to make sure that you stay cash. The best trade is not taking trade at all. Stay cash until your system is more cooked with less risk, and just milk it and once and for all. So until then, I'll catch you with further updates in the Telegram group. Go and click in the link in the bio in my Telegram page to come to the Telegram channel. for further updates. All right, stay safe and trade wisely. Have a fruitful week. Bye bye.